Hey everyone, today is Friday, October 9th. Today, the first thing you need to do is go and check in on campus. Then go and watch the book talk. It's about a book called Tyler Johnson Was Here. And then you need to work on your final revisions for your paper. Your paper is due at midnight tonight. You can submit it on Schoology when you're done. Before you turn it in, make sure that you read it over one last time. Take a look at the rubric. Make sure that you feel really confident about it before you turn it in. Your final paper can be turned in here in the Dropbox. While you're working, if you have questions, please feel free to sign up for office hours. Sign up, just click either right here or right here. It should bring up this sheet. And then you can see the times listed here, and then just put in your name wherever you want. The link to our Google Meet is right here. If you sign up, please make sure that you remember when you signed up and don't miss your time. Don't take up a time that somebody else might need. And then we can talk about whatever questions you have about your paper before you submit it, or what you need to do, or whatever questions you have about class in general. Let me know what you need, and I will see you next week.